Huh?
How old your baby?
Oi! Okay. Lu ada dah, just just tired. I know what to look for. You are it. You got perfect smile, tall, good body. Oh.
If your face is ever shown in any of our videos by mistake and you want it to be removed, please contact us through any of our social medias.
หากไกด์หน้าคุณปรากฏในวิดีโอของเราโดยไม่ได้ตั้งใจและต้องการลบออกกรุณาติดต่อเราทางโซเชียลมีเดียของเรา
Bud Light presents Real Men of Genius.
Real men of genius.
Today we salute you.
If I already videoed you, I cannot video you again. I need to video new people. You work there, right? Hey, how you doing? Nice to meet you. You're older, yeah. Physical, okay. I don't show customers. No, it's not live stream. No. I'm videoing. I don't ever show customers. I blur everybody out. Unless whoever I'm talking to. Yeah. I filmed here before, but I asked the girl, and I don't show customers. Sure, yeah. Good, brother. Thank you for having me. It's only a time. The second part always sounds so funny to me. I don't know why. Cheers, enjoy. I'll go with the bow. But look at it. 3 drinks. So 1 drink, 2 tequila white. 2 tequila white, 1 drink. 2 new tab. 3 drinks, 1 drink for you, and then 2 tequila white. No.
So what the lovely Daw is asking here is, do we start a new bill or do we put it on the original one because me and Hammer's drinks are together? Proper Tinglish term would be, no, new bin, which is the circular contraption that we put all of our bills in.
Cheers, from KL. What's your name? 7. Like 7-Eleven. So easy, right? So easy. How old are you? 21? Wow, baby. No, you, baby. You're so young. What's that even mean? Oh my God. How long you been in Pattaya? Okay. What? You're so angry. Okay. You like? You stay here or? Are you have condo? Oh, man. Zero? Oh, wow. Me? Yeah, I love dogs. So it's so much easier. I don't this, you know? Lu ada dah, just it gets tired. Still have, but when we have, I'll give you the call.
I have a habit of taking my straw after stirring my drink and putting it into my friend's drink and leaving it for him. Because A, straws are for girls, and this is how I express my love for my friends. Accept me for the way I am.
Cheers. Deal. No. Husband. You have husband? Married? Not married? You have baby? You have baby. Wow. Or cat? You have cat? No. You have cat? One, two. Whoa, here? Pattaya. Oh, you touch. Yeah, you like a lot, huh? Oh, yeah. Cool. You get to see all your boyfriends. Ooh, so many. Oh my god. Boyfriend. Oh, oh, it's like... Okay. Oh my god. Big cat, huh? Yeah, wow. Ah, it's like your boat. Pretty love. Ah, wow, you look good. You look really good. If you edit me out, it's actually a good photo. Yeah.
Enjoying the content and you want more? Become a YouTube member by hitting that join button and unlock some awesome perks. With the Traveler Circle, you'll get access to our private Discord, perfect for meeting other solo travelers, sharing tips, or just asking for help when you need it. If you're hungry for more content, Video Access perk gives you 2 to 4 extra videos a month, raw, unfiltered, and only for members. If YouTube pricing isn't for you, no worries. Patreon offers the same perks at different price points. Either way, I appreciate the support. It means a lot, guys.
Oh wait, stop making me look like I peed my pants. You do me a favor? Can I make a short video of you pulling me inside? I'll make a drink. Yeah. Sit down. Cheers, don't yell. How are you? You just need to do. You make a lot of money. I'm telling you. Ricky, I know what to look for. You are it. You got a perfect smile, tall, good body. Oh. Yes, okay. I have to go make more. I just... Oh. Yeah, okay. Nice to meet you. Oh, there you are. See, I'm not lying. You think I lied? You've seen it. I told you. Oh, you're right here. They just opened the food table. Hey, what's up, Matt? How are you, man? Good to see you. Just, yeah, trying to hustle. Taking some shrimp. Yeah, whatever you want, baby. How you holding up, Governor? You're alright? How's the channel going? Oh, it's good. It's good. It's a slow burn. I can't complain, man.
That's not true. I totally can't complain. Things have changed substantially since the original start of this channel, where YouTube is just not pushing our videos out to the general public and is keeping it in our ecosystem. So I got some numbers here that I can show you of an original video and how well it did versus how it's doing now. While it may look like you have a lot more subscribers viewing, that generally means that it's just not being pushed out there, because only about 10 to 20% of people subscribe to you normally, and the rest of the viewers just check you out once in a while. So if you guys could, I do always appreciate a like, follow, or even better, if you can post this or share this somewhere on Reddit, it really does help the channel.
How's everything with you? How's Friday night? Sold out every Friday?
Friday is free. No, we had 14 out of 15 yesterday. We had 2 no-shows and 1 guy come late.
Oh, is it just like a, how do they reserve it? It's like, hey, just hold it for me?
No, you gotta pay.
There's a deposit.
Yeah, because some days we only have 5 or 6 people.
I get it. Yeah.
Next week we're still doing.
Man, he doesn't need to sit. Come on, baby.
You know me.
Oh, let me buy him a drink.
There we go.
Kids, don't kill, baby. What's your name? Min. 7. Like 7-Eleven? 7, yeah, easy. What? I like it. Good girl. Good girl. Ah, you like the party. She's like, let's go to Republic now. I'm like, alright. Min, how old are you? 22. It's the safest answer ever. Yeah? Up? 21? 21? 20. Min, where are you from?
My mom.
Where?
From my mom and dad.
Oh, yeah. I'm from America. But what part of Thailand are you from?
Sabuli.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, Chonburi? Here. This is Chonburi.
Near Bangkok.
Oh, okay. Not far. Like maybe 1 hour, 2 hours. 2 hours driving. How long you been in Pattaya?
1 year.
1 year? Okay. You always fire bar?
Yeah.
Kid. Time to get mad, kid. You play pool. I'll put her in home. You guys want to play doubles? We can do a lot of things if you don't want to. Alright, you guys play one-on-one, then we'll play doubles after. Me? Okay. You're good? No, I think you lied. What not? Yeah, but I thought you drink. I mean, you let me video you or whatever you want. I don't care. Yeah. What do you want? Tequila white? Actually, get 4. One for Matt, one for me. Tequila white. Make sure his is all the way up. I gotta work. I got a video for YouTube, baby. Don't worry, nobody saw that. It's the magic of editing. No. Alright, if I win, you kiss me like you love me. If you win 3 games, I buy you another shot. Because I'm gonna lose a lot. No. It's fair, because I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna win 1 out of 5 games.
That's pretty good.
I'm not. Oh, wait. No, it's too small. Maybe wow.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious.
What happened?
I'll always be a bit superior, get off with me. This ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Yeah, strong tail. You're a strong girl, stronger than me. No problem. You okay?
How old your baby?
Huh?
How old your baby?
Oi! Hey, oi!
Why you have this on me?
Woo! You fuck wrong?
You want the baby? You have the small one.
Up to you. I win. Great. I'm so happy when he beats these rock, paper, scissors, because I beat him like 95% of the time. See you, baby.
Thank you. Bye bye.